After ribbon number 3, follow him back to the vertical. Sean will then demonstrate to you the world's smallest inside oops. We will call that the alley-oop loop. There it is there, the donut hole in the sky. As Sean lowers his nose and rolls his way down the air show runway. It's his indication that the show line is obstruction-free, and Sean is now ready to attempt to slice all 3 ribbons in one single pass in 3 separate flight attitudes. He'll stop the airplane 18 feet above the ground, 210 miles an hour. He'll bear down on that first set of ribbons in right knife edge flight. The second set of ribbons in left knife edge flight. Rolls inverted, bears down on the third set of ribbons. A direct hit, ladies and gentlemen. How about a big round of applause for Sean D. Tucker, the only one in the world doing the maneuver, the triple ribbon cut. Now the Tucker upper maneuver. 8 negative G push to the Tucker upper.